Hello friends, in today's video we are going to give you an inside look at the WWE Raw roster. We will be sharing details about when each wrestler made their debut, how many years they have been dominating the wrestling world, and what their salaries are in WWE. So let's get started. Number 1. Finn Balor. Finn Balor made his debut in the wrestling industry on November 23, 2001 and has been wrestling for 22 years. Finn Balor's annual salary in WWE is $3 million. Number 2. Braun Strowman. Braun Strowman entered the world of wrestling on December 19, 2014, accumulating 9 years of experience in the ring. Braun Strowman earned $2 million annually in WWE. Number 3. Bronson Reed. Bronson Reed made his debut on May 19, 2007 and has spent 17 years in the industry. Bronson Reed's yearly salary in WWE is $1.5 million. Number 4. Seth Rollins. Seth Rollins stepped into the ring for the first time on August 21, 2004, gaining 20 years of wrestling experience. Seth Rollins' WWE income is $4.8 million per year. Number 5. Damian Priest. Damian Priest made his mark in the ring on March 25, 2005. He has been working for 19 years in the wrestling business. Damian Priest's annual salary in WWE is $2.2 million. Number 6. Dirty Dominik Mysterio. Dirty Dominik Mysterio entered WWE on August 23, 2020 and has 4 years of experience in the ring. Dirty Dominik Mysterio earns $1.4 million annually in WWE. Number 7. Drew McIntyre. Drew McIntyre made his debut in the wrestling industry on March 20, 2003 and has 21 years of ring experience. Drew McIntyre's yearly paycheck in WWE is $3.9 million. Number 8. Gunther. Gunther debuted in WWE Wrestling World on November 22, 2007 and has been in the industry for 17 years. Gunther's annual salary in WWE is $3.5 million. Number 9. Ludwig Kaiser. Ludwig Kaiser made his debut on May 4, 2008 and has been wrestling for 16 years. Ludwig Kaiser's WWE yearly earnings stands at $800,000. Number 10. Rey Mysterio. Rey Mysterio debuted on April 30, 1989 and has been wrestling for past 35 wonderful years of experience. Rey Mysterio's WWE salary is $3.5 million per year. Number 11. R-Truth. R-Truth entered the world of wrestling on March 15, 1997 and has 27 years of experience. R-Truth's annual WWE salary is $750,000. Number 12. The Miz. The Miz debuted in WWE on February 17, 2004 and has spent 20 years in the ring. The Miz yearly earnings in WWE are $1.7 million. Number 13. Sheamus. Sheamus made his debut on November 27, 2002 and has 22 years of wrestling experience. Sheamus' annual salary in WWE is $2.1 million. Number 14. Pat Toon. Pat Toon debuted on November 21, 2006 and with 18 years of experience. Pat Toon's yearly salary in WWE is $800,000. Number 15. Andrade. Andrade stepped into the ring on December 2, 2003 and has been active in the wrestling industry for past 21 years. Andrade's annual salary in WWE is $600,000. Number 16. Carmelo Hayes. Carmelo Hayes made his debut on June 26, 2016 with 8 years of experience in the wrestling business. Carmelo Hayes earns $550,000 a year in WWE. Number 17. Adam Pearce. Adam Pearce made his debut in the wrestling on November 28, 1996, with an impressive 28 years of experience in the wrestling business. Adam Pearce's yearly paycheck in WWE is $2.5 million. Number 18. Liv Morgan. Liv Morgan entered in the world of wrestling on October 12, 2014 and has gained 10 years of experience in the ring. Liv Morgan's annual salary in WWE is $1.1 million. Number 19. Asuka. Asuka made her wrestling debut on November 16, 2004 and has 20 years of experience in the ring. Asuka earns $1.8 million annually in WWE. Number 20. Rhea Ripley. Rhea Ripley debuted in the wrestling industry on March 19, 2013, accumulating 11 years of wrestling experience. Rhea Ripley's annual salary in WWE is $2.6 million. Number 21. Sonya Deville. Sonya Deville entered the wrestling scene on March 8, 2015 and has 9 years of experience. Sonya Deville's yearly earning in WWE is $450,000. Number 22. Zoey Stark. Zoey Stark made her debut on March 7, 2015 and has 9 years of experience in the ring. Zoey Stark earns $650,000 per year in WWE. Number 23. Scarlett. Scarlett debuted on June 9, 2012 and has spent 12 years in the wrestling business. Scarlett's annual paycheck in WWE is $500,000. Number 24. Lara Valkyria. Lara Valkyria entered the world of wrestling on November 26, 2016. She has been working in the wrestling industry for the past 8 years. Lara Valkyria's WWE salary is $800,000 per year. Number 25. Kairi Sane. Kairi Sane made a mark in wrestling ring on September 6, 2006 and has 18 years of experience in the ring. Kairi Sane's yearly salary in WWE is $900,000. Number 26. Io Sky. Io Sky debuted on July 6, 2008 and has accumulated 16 years of experience in the wrestling world. Io Sky earns $1.5 million annually in WWE. Number 27. Shayna Baszler. Shayna Baszler stepped into wrestling industry on September 12, 2008. She has 16 years of ring experience. Shayna Baszler's annual salary in WWE is $750,000. Number 28. Zelina Vega. Zelina Vega made her debut on April 16, 2010 and has been working in the wrestling industry for the past 14 years. Zelina Vega earns $500,000 per year in the WWE. Number 29. Ivy Nile. Ivy Nile entered wrestling world on February 16, 2019. She has 5 years of ring experience. Ivy Nile's yearly salary in WWE is $450,000. Number 30. Katana Chance. Katana Chance debuted in the ring on June 7, 2014. She has 10 years of experience in the wrestling. Katana Chance's annual salary in WWE is $350,000. Number 31. Kayden Carter. Kayden Carter made her debut on April 19, 2015 and has been working in the wrestling industry for the past 9 years. Kayden Carter's WWE salary stands at $350,000 per year. Number 32. Maxine Dupri. Maxine Dupri entered the WWE scene on June 19, 2021 with 3 years of experience in wrestling. Maxine Dupri's annual salary in WWE is $300,000. Number 33. Nikki Cross. Nikki Cross made her debut on July 9, 2008 and has 16 years of experience. Nikki Cross WWE yearly salary is $350,000 Thanks for watching, friends. We hope you enjoyed learning about the WWE Raw roster and their incredible journeys and salaries in the wrestling world. For more fascinating comparisons and updates, don't forget to subscribe Wrestle Series Comparison. Stay tuned for more amazing content.